you're a specialist, you can't afford it.
Insurance is killing us.
I know.
Now they won't give us strong medicine anymore, they want you to take this weak stuff, it doesn't even work. But no, it doesn't work.
Well, that's like my cholesterol's high. It's always going high.
Mine too.
Even
I'm
when I
not
was
crazy.
young, real young.
I
I
love
had-
video to start an existence.
So
This
Barbara's
is
in
a
the
really different
hospital.
one. This is peanut.
They did my cholesterol. She goes, well,
Okay.
your
Oh,
cholesterol's
she's
high.
having peanut on. Oh no, it's not peanut.
That's what they would say.
You can tell that the thing is weird. I don't know why. I'm talking to others now.
So Dr. Park.
I hope y'all can hear me. Oh,
And then when you have, you're on that, they have to check you.
Yeah.
can you hear me?
Well, my liver started, he said, well, your liver started to crystallize. So,
Is that peanut?
well, no, not sure, I don't know. So I went off it, and I didn't go
Oh,
along
she
with that
climbing on
country,
the
and then
table.
every time I go to the doctor,
Oh,
of course,
what
they
the
take
heck?
the blood and
Oh,
make
it's
sure.
very blurry. Sorry,
And he,
guys.
and so this one
Wait.
doctor I went to, she said,
Or is it not blurry? It's very
why,
blurry.
why don't you just try 5 milligrams? And I thought,
Yeah.
5 milligrams?
It's bad.
What big deal is that? You know, but I did, I said, I'll try it, but I don't know. I've taken it on, I haven't gone back.
Well, they put me on it, but it was only like within 5 or 6 years, it only went up like, I don't know, 5 points or something.
Yeah.
Like 236 it went up to.
Bye, guys.